Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, HD radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.